Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my students. So today we are going to continue our lessons. As usual, can you please turn to page 71 of your textbook? So for your PDF, make sure you have your textbook and notebook ready in front of you. Okay, let's take a look at the grammar section on page 71 here. So today we are going to review reported speech or statement ayat pindah in bahasa Melayu. So we have two section, direct speech cakap ajuk and reported speech cakap pindah or cakap direct speech cakap ajuk, reported speech cakap pindah. Okay, so let's take a look at the examples given here for direct speech on your left. Okay, I'm going to go mountain climbing tomorrow, John said to Oliver. So here, when you want to form a reported speech, you need to change, some of the words, in the dialogue there, in the inverted commas there. So make sure that you write in a reported speech or cakap pindah. So the reported speech would be John told Oliver. Okay, so you replace with told. John told Oliver that, optional, that he was going to go mountain climbing the next day. John memberitahu Oliver yang dia akan pergi mendaki gunung pada hari berikutnya. So you change tomorrow to the next day in the reported speech. Okay. Next one, example number 2. I must book the tickets, Jenny said. So the reported speech would be Jenny said that she had, you change must to had to book the tickets. Full stop. The third example is a new travel agency opened in the high street last week, Alan said to me. So in the reported speech, the sentence would be Alan told me, instead of using said, you use told because it sounds better. Okay, Alan told me that a new travel agency had opened, telah dibuka, in the high street the previous week or the week before. Okay. Note, apart from say and tell, selain daripada menggunakan say dan tell, the following reporting verbs can also be used in reported speech. Ayat kata kerja melaporkan boleh juga digunakan dalam ayat pindah. For example, sebagai contoh, refuse, enggan, offer, menawarkan, agree, bersetuju, promise, berjanji, threaten, mengugut, advise, menasihati, remind, mengingatkan, invite, menjemput, suggest, mencadangkan, admit, mengaku, deny, menafikan, explain, menerangkan, announce, mengumumkan, etc. dan sebagainya. Okay, let's do the exercise. Okay, on the same page, rewrite the sentences using reported speech. Tulis semula ayat di bawah menggunakan cakap pindah. Okay, we do number 1 together. Okay, the direct speech is, we will reach our destination tomorrow at 5 a.m. The tour guide said to us. So when you change it to the reported speech, the sentence would be like this. The tour guide told us that we would reach our destination the following day at 5 a.m. I repeat, the tour guide told us that we would reach our destination the next day at 5 a.m. Okay, the following day or the next day at 5 a.m. Okay, both are accepted. So can you please do the rest of the exercise? Okay, number 2, 3, 4, and 5 in your notebook. Okay, next one, we have come to the listening activity. Okay, part A. Read the newspaper article below and answer the question. Question number 1. Do you know what an avalanche is? Okay. Okay, the answer here is an avalanche is a large amount of snow or ice that falls down a mountain. Runtuhan salji di atas gunung. What can happen during an avalanche? If a village, town or ski resort is situated near a mountain where avalanches occur, it can be buried under the snow that fall and life could be lost. Rumah akan ditimpa salji dan mungkin manusia akan mati. Who is usually affected by the avalanche? The answer is the people who live or work near an avalanche path are affected by avalanches and so are the skier. Orang yang tinggal berdekatan dan juga para pemain ski. Okay. Next. Okay, part B and C. You will hear part of a radio interview with two people who survived an avalanche. Guess what happened to them? Then listen and check your answers. There are 5 questions. So I'm going to give you a listening an audio clip, okay, later for you to listen. Okay, next one, vocabulary. Read the sentences below and decide what the idiom in bold express. Use the word in the box. Baca ayat di bawah dan tentukan apakah yang cuba dinyatakan disampaikan oleh idiom peribahasa. Okay, pepatah yang berhuruf tebal. Gunakan perkataan di dalam kotak. Okay, fear means ketakutan. Embarrassment, rasa malu. Happiness, kegembiraan. And annoyance, rasa bengang, sakit hati. Okay, we do number 1 together. My heart was in my mouth when I saw my dad fall off the ladder. The answer is fear, ketakutan. So, answer the rest of the questions. Okay, good luck and enjoy your weekend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.